Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video, and today I'm going to show you how to get your $1,200 stimulus check deposited directly into your Cash App. Okay, so let's go ahead and go to my wallet screen. So Cash App has added some information here. They've added their routing number and the account number. And this allows you to do some more things with Cash App, like receive your $1,200 stimulus check as a direct deposit. So you might see this pop up in your app sometimes, or you might have already seen it. If not, you can go to the history section and it's right here for most people. And you'll see it says the government has started accepting direct deposit information to speed up your stimulus payment. See if you're eligible to submit your Cash App routing and account numbers. So normally they're sending like a physical paper check to people, but they've also started to use this method as well. So here's what you would do. You tap get started. It's going to give you some more information here. Then you'll tap continue. Then you have to say if you filed your taxes for 2018 or 2019. Then you can tap next. Then it'll say submit your direct deposit info to the IRS. The IRS created a web portal for people to file taxes, etc. Then you just want to tap visit IRS and you can open that in Chrome or Safari or whatever web browser you have. So I'm just going to open this up in Chrome. And then it's going to take you to this website here. And then all you need to do is tap get payment and continue to fill out the form. And then you should be all set to receive your $1,200 direct deposit right here in your Cash App. And that would come right here to your wallet screen. And then once here, you could tap cash out and you could send that $1,200 directly to your bank. Or if you don't want to send it to your bank, you can just keep it here in your Cash App wallet. If you have the Cash App card, maybe you could use that to spend some of it. It's up to you what you decide to do with it at that point. That's all for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. Definitely check out some of the other Cash App tutorials and experiments on the channel. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past.